Miss Palmer, is that you? Can you hear me? I don't see any kids on, so am I good? I didn't change anything from earlier, so can you hear me? What's up, Braxton? Braxton, can you hear me? Braxton, what did you do for your birthday? Braxton, what'd you do for your birthday? Just sit in your house and play video games? Lily? Lily, what's up with you? Oh, did you have cake? Did you have did you get any presents, Braxton? All right. Next week's Mr. Schmelz's birthday, but everything he wants is at stores that are closed, so I don't know what he's gonna get for his birthday. Probably nothing. I bought him a pack of toilet paper that I found because toilet paper's hard to find, you know. Can't find it. So I was like, "Happy birthday! I bought you a pack of toilet paper." And he was like, "I don't want that." And I was like, "You should be excited. Toilet paper is hard to find." I should have wrapped it. That was the problem. I didn't wrap it. And Lily and Henry, I bought Mickey waffles. Isn't that fun? Mickey waffles, Mickey Mouse waffles, and ice cream cones. They like their present more than toilet paper. Maybe I should have given the Mickey waffles to my husband. Maybe he will like that better. Who doesn't like Mickey waffles? Mickey waffles are good, right? Everybody likes anything shaped like Mickey Mouse. But what's up, Chloe? Are you wearing a bow today? You better have a bow on. What's up, Sabrina? Do you miss Mickey? This is like the longest you've gone without going on Disney rides. We didn't start yet. We can't start till 11:30. We gotta wait till everyone gets here. Blandina, are you dancing right now? Uh, Chloe, you actually have a bow on? I'm so happy. When we get done and everything calms down, we actually are gonna go to Disney. Gianna, what's up, girl? Ian, how's it going? Blandina, you're dancing and playing your recorder. Colin, what's up? Addison, what's up with you? Scarlett, what's up? What's up? What's up, all my peeps? Yo, girls. We are gonna we're gonna start in a couple of minutes. I have to wait till everyone gets here. I can't start before 11:30 because that's the time the class starts. So we can't start before people come in. So, oh, how's your chickens going, at Addison? A big bow. Oh my gosh. Tell your mom to take a picture and send it to me on my phone. I want to see this big bow. I still have some of your dessert left, but we're working on it. We're savoring it. But it's good. Yummy. I love strawberries, Scarlett. Strawberries are good. Yo, what's up? Clay here. What up, Mishmelzo? Gabby. One died. What'd you do? Did you forget to feed it or something, or just died? Are they getting bigger? They're not little chicks anymore. Are they chickens now? Probably getting bigger. They don't stay little very long, do they? Aw, tell your mom to send me a picture. I want to see a picture of them. Caleb, I do not know what that has to do with anything we're talking about. Or Braxton. Okay, it's 11:30. So we are done talking about random things and on to math. Okay, I did move your math test till next week. It was supposed to be tomorrow, but it is mostly okay. Everybody needs to stop talking to each other and focus on me now because we are going to review. I'm going to wait till you stop. You need to listen. We're reviewing decimals a couple more days, and then your math test is going to be next Wednesday instead of tomorrow. We haven't been doing decimals that many days, and your test is over a lot of decimals, so I don't think you're ready by tomorrow to take a decimal test. So I don't think anybody would want to take a decimal test with only a couple days of practice. So we're going to review decimals. Remember, decimals are just another way of saying a fraction. We start with a decimal point. Okay. We are not in our book. Just like in the real classroom, I'm just going to tell you this. And let's see who listens. Guys, Jacob, your job is not, we don't need to answer. Guys, listen to me. Just like if we were in the classroom, I always review before we go into the book, right? So you just need to listen to me. And then we will go into the book. And I'll tell you when to go into the book. You don't need to look at each other's comments. I'm the teacher. I will tell you when to go in your book. Don't worry. I will not forget to tell you when to go in your book. Trust me. Okay? I didn't forget how to teach you. And so we're just reviewing. So you need to pay attention. The reason why I moved your math test is so we can review more days. So let's review. All right, so remember your decimal places. You have 3 decimal places past the decimal. So if I have my regular number right here, this is my whole number. Then my decimal place starts right here, right past the decimal. I have decimal points. Then this is my first place past the decimal points next to the decimal. I have tenths, and then I have hundredths, then I have thousandths. Okay, so we're going to practice. This is going to be on your worksheet today. It's also going to be on your test next week to see if you remember the value of these numbers. So let's just see. Do you remember the value of this whole kilo? Write down if you remember how much kilo was worth. Remember when we did King Henry died making dark chocolate milk? Write down the number for kilo. Kilo was not a decimal. It was a whole number. It was on the left. Very good. Few of you are getting it. Good job. It is a big number. It's a whole number. It is 1,000. So that was my big number. That was on this side over here, 1,000. Okay. So that was that side. Okay. It's not a decimal. I can't write it as a decimal. It's just a big number. Okay. How about this one? What was hecto? Hecto was the next smallest big number. Good. Good. I'm seeing some good answers. Good. 100. Again, that was not a decimal. This is a whole number. You have to know this for your test and today what we're doing. 100. Okay, last big number, deca. How many years are in a decade? That's a clue. Deca. Good. 10. 10. So those three are all my whole numbers. They were to the left of my decimal point. They're not fractions. They're not decimals. But these guys are. They're my small numbers. Okay? They're my small numbers. So centi. Who remembers what centi was worth? It was worth a decimal or a fraction. Okay, centi was one. Good. 100. Or you could write it 0.01. Good job. So on your test or today, you need to be able to write both of these or one or the other. So if you write 100th, we're not right. When you do this at home with your parents, some of your parents are listening, don't say 1/100 anymore. You need to say 100th. And then this is how you write it, 0.01. Okay, how about this one? What was milli? Milli was our smallest one. What was milli? Milli was the smallest one, the farthest over. Farthest one. Good. It is 1,000th, 1,000, or you could write it 0.001. Either one would be fine, or both. You could write it both ways. Now, this was our biggest one of our smallest, if that makes sense. Deci. Good, Sabrina. 1/10. 1/10. How could you write it? Two different ways. You could write it 1/10 or 0.1. Okay? 1/10 or 0.1. Okay, good. So you do have to know those abbreviations. The boys and girls know King Henry died making dark chocolate milk. Abbreviations. King Henry died making dark chocolate milk. They can write it out for you, and they should be able to put the numbers in order. The abbreviations are also in the back of the math book. Okay, so I want to ask you questions before I give you any. I wrote some new cards, so I'm going to show you a fraction, and you're going to tell me what's the decimal for it. Okay, so remember decimals. However many zeros I have, that's the place I should have. Okay, so here's my first fraction. I would say this fraction 1500th. What would it look like as a decimal? Good. I'm seeing some good answers. 1500ths. Good, 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 good. It should be 0.15. I have 2 zeros. I only have 2 zeros. So I should have 2 numbers in my answer only. Good job. All right, how about this one? 8/10. Good, Gabby. Good, good, good. Very good. Very good. All right, I have 1 zero. So I only have 1 digit, so it should be 0.8. All right. Oh, this is a big one. 903 thousandths. How would I write this one? Very good. Good, Sabrina. Gianna, good. Lily, good, 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 good. I have 3 zeros, so it should look like this. 0.903. Very good. All right, how about this one? 603 thousandths. Good, 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 good. Okay, so now I'm gonna switch, and I want you to write. I'm going to show you the decimal, and I want you to write the fraction. Okay? So, what fraction matches this decimal? What fraction matches this decimal? Very good. You don't need the decimal point anymore once you write the fraction. Very good. It should match 7/10. It should be 7/10. Very good. Excellent job. All right, how about this one? What is my fraction? Good. Good. I'm seeing some good answers. Look at how many place values I have. That's how many zeros I should have. Braxton, look at how many zeros I have, because that's how many zeros I should have in my bottom number. So it should be 41 hundredths because I have 2 numbers. I should have 2 zeros. Okay, here comes my balloon. I don't know, it's from someone's birthday. All right, how about this one? Write the fraction. Good job. 3/10. All right, let's do this one. Be careful. How many digits do I have? seeing different answers. Okay, some of you have it. But carefully, how many digits do I have? 1, 2, 3. So what should my answer be? 64,000. If you have a 0 in front of the number, you don't need to write 60. You don't need to write 0. You could drop the 0. That's just a placeholder. You don't need the 0. Okay? All right, really quick, and then we'll go in our book and do some. Remember, this is a mixed number. So that's when you have a whole number, decimal place, and a number after. So this is like 3 and 8/10. You would write it in words, so it would look like this: 3 and 8/10. So how would I write this one? Good job, Colin. 800. Do you need to write the 0? No, you don't. Okay, the 0 again is just a placeholder telling you that you have a decimal, okay? But it's 62 hundredths. That's all. Okay, it's just telling you have a placeholder that's a fraction. Okay. All right, let's go to our book. Go to page 235. Today is all review on the front page of decimals. So go to page 235. The better you listen, the more that we can work and get something done on the page. Okay, if you look at the first part on 235, we're matching. So I want you to do section 1. Go ahead and match those decimals to the words that they go with. So when you're done matching section 1, then say done. So then we'll go over the answers. So just do section 1 and then write done when you're done. Okay, so letter A. I'm just going to say your answers and then just check. We'll move on to section 2. So 0.6 is 6/10. 3.8 is 3 and 8/10. 0.37 is 37 hundredths. 0.62 is 62 hundredths. 21.84 is 21 and 84 hundredths. 0.01 is 100th. 0.001 is 1,000th. And 0.1 is 1/10. How do we do? Everyone do okay? Everyone do okay on section 1? Say yes. Good. Thumbs up. I got it. Yes. All right. Good. Let's go to section 2. Yes, times 2. All right. 6/10. How would we write 6/10 as a decimal? 6/10 as a decimal would be. Let's use the first person. Oh, Eli. Good. 0.6. All right. 0.6. How about letter B? 15/100th. 15/100th. You got to have that point, Cherith. Don't forget. I know you might have just forgot to type it, but don't forget your decimal. That 0.15. Very good. 37/1000. 37/1000 looks like. Very good, Chloe. 0.375. You could cross out letter D. You don't have to do letter D. Letter E, 17/100. 17/100. Good, Gianna. 0.17. 38/100. Good, Gabby. 0.38. 5/10. 5/10. Ready? Switch. 5/10. Good, Lily. 0.5. All right, you can cross out H. All right. Section 3, you're doing the opposite, like how we reviewed. I give you a decimal, you're writing the fraction. So what would 0.53 look like as a fraction? Very good, 53 hundredths. How about 0.7? 0.7. 7/10, very good. 0.9. 0.9. Good, Chloe. 9/10. Good. All right, cross out D. Guys, don't write it a lot of times. Look at each other and don't keep writing it. All right. 0.3. Okay, I have a couple of people that wrote 3/10. Good. 0.613. Who's going to switch first? 0.613. Go. 0.613. Go. Good. Gabby, 613 thousandths. And last one in that section, 0.004. Good. Colin got it. 4 thousandths. Cross out H. All right, let's do our abbreviations. That's the first thing I did. What's the abbreviation for 1/1000ths or 001? Like that means hecto, centi, kilo, milli. What abbreviation meant 1/1000? Very good, milli. You all don't need to write milli. Now write milli in your book. Milli. Letter B. What abbreviation meant 100? What abbreviation means 100? Good, Gianna got it. Stop writing. Hecto. Y'all don't need to write it. Hecto. All right. How about 100th? Letter C. 100th. Centi. Very good, Sabrina. How about letter D? Kilo. 1,000. 1,000. This is the biggest. 1,000 is kilo. Very good, Gianna. How about 1/10? The biggest of the small. Deci. Good job, Sammy. An error occurred where? On what problem? Is it back now? Can you see me now? You can't hear me? All right. And the last one. What does 10 mean? What does 10 mean? Like 10 is Deca. Very good. Deca. Again, I told you if you missed any of these, they're in the back of your book, okay? All right, at the down, I'm going to just tell you what you could cross out. At the bottom, you could cross out B, and D. On the back side, you do not have to do word problem A. And you can also cross out the green, and you don't have to do the greens, and you don't have to do problem A. And let's see, word problem A, greens, and both, and all the A's. Not the bottom part. You have to do the matching with the decimals, though. Okay? I'm typing in what you have to do. Did everybody else get it that can hear me? So don't do word problem A, greens, all the A's except, I'm typing it in. All right, everybody else got it? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. Everybody else hear me that was here? Okay, so I'm gonna go. I typed in what you don't have to do, okay, on the back. Okay, got it? Okay, I'll see you guys later for language. Bye.